Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel and also click like. Today, I will be showing you how to remove a shower head and install a new shower head. Let's get started. Let's remove this. Total, I forgot. It's in my face. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it going here. So this is the whole shower head here. Bad, huh? Whole shower head. Okay. And this is the new shower head. This is the one that I'm gonna install. This is the new shower head. This is my tape here. You can just use your finger to remove this whole tape. That is nice. Very easy. Very, very easy. It's nothing hard. So I'm gonna put my new tape on. Yes, you just want to make sure your tape wraps around very neatly. Okay. This is the new shower head. That's I'm gonna replace with the whole one. You're just gonna put a little, not much. Just a little tightening. Okay. And there you go. Your new shower head is on. It's nice. That is looking beautiful. No leaks. Just gotta make sure there's no leak around here. Once you put your tape on, no leak. It's good. Very, very good. Thanks for watching.